Hey guys, this is Fundo on Chupagama. Tonight on Uzalo. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Mtambisi pressure colonized Mabaso. He wants Mabaso to do her job on not getting arrested. But it seems like Mabaso wants to give up on this job with Mtambisi. But Mtambisi remind Miss Mabaso that he pay her and there is no one who will do this job without her. While Pastor Kuala hear someone knocking on the door and he goes to open and he see his son and Kuala's son unwake little trash no simple gender revealing party. Everyone was not expecting this son and Madlala and Matongwe see that this son is look like Pastor Kuala and Pastor Kuala kick out all people on the party. And Kapsile is caught between a rock and a hard place when Kunzi found a ring between the space of sofa. That is for tonight. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. Therefore, thanks.